Also, the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperatives has stepped in after KTN News ran an investigative story last night on a cooperative society which was accused of fleecing its members. Ekeza Sacco Society and a sister company had allegedly promised to build houses for its members, but those members say their millions have gone down the drain. The ministry says the Sacco is now under investigations as more victims of the scam came out to speak. Our Dennis Onsarigo has been following the happenings.
The
KTN News Crime Desk team ran an investigative expose last night dubbed Vicious Sacco, and reactions into what appears as a million-shilling scam have been fast and swift.
Now this thing, I don't know what will happen.
When Anthony Mushiri Maina heard of an investment plan on radio by Ekeza and Gakuyo Sacco Society, the economist says a dream to own a piece of land in Embu was becoming a reality.
So I paid 45,000. That was on May 2014. Later this year, because of lack of money, I went back there. I was told that the plot appreciated. They were not 65,000. It was 75,000. So nilikuwa nimebakisha 10,000. So they demanded I paid 10,000. So when I paid the remaining, I was given this receipt. I was given this receipt, which is written cleared.
Anthony, who showed up at Nyeri Bureau offices, says after payment, he, alongside other members, were driven to a barren land where he was allegedly showed and allocated a piece of land.
Ile kitu ilinishangaza, after being given this one for cleared by Gakuyo Real Estate, wakati tulienda to that parcel, it was unmarked. Haikuwa na bacon. Sasa ile kitu kwanza ilitustua ni kwamba ile parcel unaambiwa plot namba yako is a big shamba lakini haina subdivisions.
Sensing something was amiss, Anthony says he pressed further.
Sasa mimi wakaniambia kuja tutafute plot number 21. Sasa tukatafuta it is like walikuwa wanajifanya wanatafuta plot number 21 lakini haiko juu the whole shamba haina subdivisions.
Anthony becomes the latest victim of a Sacco Society and an investment company now at the center of police investigation. 5,000 members promised new houses after parting with more than 100 million shillings have raised the red flag in what is now unfolding into a scam where unsuspecting investors could have lost millions of shillings. In a statement to newsrooms, the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Cooperative Principal Secretary Ali Noor Ismail says Ekeza Sacco Society and Gakuyo Real Estate Company are now entities under investigations. The ministry further says Ekeza Sacco Society was only allowed to operate in Starehe sub-county in Nairobi County alone, and it's not clear how it managed to open branches across the country. In Thika, a group of demonstrators took to the streets of the town where the cooperative society has offices in defense of its operations, as news of mass withdrawals and panic hit the 16,000 strong membership.
Wafanyikazi na wale wengine tunajua kwamba kuna watu wako hapa, wengi wetu tumepewa manyumba. Kuna watu wako hapa, mtu ana drive gari yake kwa barabara through Ekeza. Wengi sana wako hapa na kila mtu, kuna wengine wameweka mabiashara. Na nyinyi unyote mko hapa mnajua hivyo.
Mimi nasikia uchungu kwa sababu siwezi kuwa nafanya kazi ya consultants. Nimeanza Ekeza, nimefanya Dolphins, nimeconsult Kiambu Artist Sacco, nimeconsult hata kampuni zingine za real estate.
But thousands of other members are still seeking answers into what now seems to be a scam on a large scale.